and open what's inside. Colors sparkle, look inside. Big dog wags his tail so high. Little cat jumps to the sky. Mystery box, what will it be? A bouncing ball, a kite we see. Red and yellow, blue and green. Brightest colors ever seen. Flip it, turn it, what's that sound? A tiny drum goes round and round. Little cat giggles, big dog cheers. They find new toys that bring big smiles here. Sparkly stickers, shiny hats, magic wands and tiny cats. Spin the wheel, what's next in time? Surprises pop, one of a kind. Jump and twirl, laugh out loud. Mystery fun makes them so proud. Every box a brand new game. Every toy has a fun new name. Thanks for watching Esther Twixie Nime. See you soon, my little friends. Like, share, subscribe.